guys, welcome back to the channel. You are watching from Nisha's View, the fashion side, and today we are getting into the pieces that I got from the H&M and Stella McCartney collab. I got them. Today is Tuesday. I just got it today, so this is going to be a first impression. Here's the bag that it came in. I got 4 pieces. I'm gonna put up the pieces that I got, the size that I got. And yeah, this is going to be a first impression. I have not opened this bag. It is just so y'all can see I have not opened the package yet. So yeah, this is a first impression, first look. Gonna see how things fit. And this is not going to be styled or anything. So let's open up the bag. Okay, so I got 4 pieces, but it only looks like it's 3 in here. Hold on. Okay, so these I'm thinking are the pants. They have to be the pants. So I got the gray and white pinstripe trousers. I will put them up on the screen. So let's see how these fit. Okay. Okay. All right. Not bad, not bad. Just first look. And these were supposed to be, I think, 100% wool or some type of wool fabric. The shell 100% certified wool. So that's these here. So let's try them on. I got a size, I think I got a 4 in these. I like to wear my pants a little bit baggy. So did I get a 4? I think I got a 4. So let's see. See if these work, child. Especially with people saying that the sizes have been a little off. Now I got on my, oh okay, no, actually this is a size 2. Okay, this is not too bad. This is not too bad. I gotta see how these look in the mirror, but I think I like these. Hold on. Yeah, these are nice. They sent me the wrong size, but yeah. Also, this is supposed to be a 4, but this is a 0. The bottom is the length is pretty good. I think the length. I don't think I will have to take up the length too much. Fits in the waist. This is a 0. Did I order a 0? No, I didn't. I ordered a 4. They sent me a 0. I'm not mad at it. Not mad at it at all, because from what people were saying, the sizing is extremely big. Oversized. I'm not mad at the 0. I don't know when I have been a 0 in years. It's been years. My daughter is over 30. I ain't been a size 0 in I don't know how long. But hey, okay. But yeah, this fits. I'm just not used to my clothes fitting to me. Let's just say that. I'm not used to my clothes fitting like this. And yeah, but if I eat 1 donut, yeah, it would be no more. I would not be able to close these pants. Okay, let's move on. The next thing that I'm gonna open is, okay, this is the bodysuit. And I guess I could leave the pants on and try everything on with the pants. So this is the bodysuit, and the bodysuit with Stella. Okay, this is a size. Now I know I got a small. Okay, this is a small. This is a small. This is what I ordered. This is the top. Well, the bodysuit. And it is a true bodysuit. It's not a thong bodysuit, so your cheeks, they're cheeky. If you're familiar with, like a swimsuit, a one-piece swimsuit, it would be like a cheeky swimsuit. But yeah, this is a small. This is a small, very nice. I like the back, razor back here. So yeah, the front. It's a bodysuit, and it's made similar to a what do you call a wife beater? That type of material, as far as the material of the tank. It's not a smooth. It is definitely like your wife beater with stencil with Stella on it. Pretty much what this is. I like it. And I love it with these pants too. So I could definitely style this up with these pants, throw on a blazer. Let me do that. Let me see what blazer I could wear with this. Let's do this one. Do this pinstripe blazer here that I made. I cut this blazer up and made it into like a crop, almost like a this is a blazer. This is a blazer that I cropped. I made it. It was an oversized blazer that I just, cut it. Made it into like it was a tuxedo blazer with tails on it. So yeah, I definitely would wear this entire look with a blazer. Either oversized blazer or a crop blazer would definitely work with this, with the the bodysuit and the pants and a blazer would go very well. Chef's kiss with this look. I love it. I do love it. I do love it. Okay, so let's see. The next thing I got was the t-shirt. Was the black and white Stella McCartney t-shirt. So we're gonna try that on. I got another t-shirt. I got the horse t-shirt. It just wasn't in this package, so I'm assuming it's coming. Let's hope it's coming. So let's try this on with. So this is the t-shirt. This is a small, mind you. This is a small. It's very oversized. Very oversized. I probably could have got away with an extra small, but anyway, I do like it. I do like it. So let's tuck her into the pant a little bit to see how it looks that way. And then we can go from there. Okay, let me go look in the mirror. Hold on. Okay. Ain't too bad looking in the mirror there. Tuck this a little bit. Yeah. Yeah, this too bad. This is good. This is good. I would roll the sleeves up on this, because that's just the way I like to do it. But yeah, this is not bad for it to be oversized. Yeah, I probably could do that, but also I could tuck this to make it if I had on a bra. If you have on a bra or something, then you could probably tuck the bottoms of of the shirt up under there and then make it like a crop situation. So yeah, I think this is good. And you could still wear a blazer with this and you'll be good to go. Let me see. Let's do I'm in this crop phase. This color is not looking the same, but get the idea, maybe, of how it will look. I gotta pull my sleeves up. Always gotta push them up. So yeah. Or even, make it or an oversized blazer. Either one would definitely work for this. I like it. I like it a lot. So yeah, that's it. That's all I got from the haul. Like I said, I got the other t-shirt that's coming, the horse t-shirt, which I think will look good with these pants as well, and with a blazer. If that's what you wanted to do, you could do that or not. So yeah, this is it. This is all I got. I didn't have any problems with getting onto the site and getting the things because I had already favorited a lot of the items that I really wanted, and then I just started to focus in on the things that I really wanted, and I really wanted were these pants. So the pants was really the driver for everything. If I couldn't get anything else, I wanted the pants. So the pants was that, and then the t-shirts was next. But yeah, that's pretty much the haul for me. That is it. And of course, I'm going to style these up. You've seen how I'm going to do it anyway. If you've been watching me, then you know how I like to do it. You know how I like to dress. So yeah, for sure. I think I'm going to keep all of these items. Matter of fact, I know I'm going to keep everything that I got. I'm going to keep it because I like them. And the fit is good. The fit is good. So if you've made it this far, go ahead, hit that subscribe button. Would love to have you here every Sunday morning, Sundays at 8 a.m. and then on Thursdays at 6 p.m. from the bottom up. Yeah, and then in the comments, let me know if you got anything from the collab. And of course, like and share and hype me up if you want to hype me up. Okay, so until you see me next time when I'm really styling these up, because I plan to do that. I'll talk to you then. All right.
Thanks for watching my GG channel. Period.